Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, today we are going to learn tips and tricks of addition. Okay, the very first one is we can write the addition sums in two ways, that is horizontal method and vertical method. Friends, can we see the horizontal method? Yes. The given sum is 3 plus 4 is equal to what? Okay. First of all, we can put 3 as 3 circles and 4 circles for 4. 3 and 4. Altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, altogether 7. Friends, let us do vertical method. 3 is as it is. Then we can write 4 in downside. Then put addition sign in left side. Okay. Now let us do addition. 3 lines for 3 and 4 lines for 4. Okay. Then count together. We got the answer 7. Friends, second one is change of order. In addition, if you change the order of numbers, the answer remains the same. Friends, let us check. Yes. Here, the number is 6 plus 3. Can we do it? Yes. We can put 6 stars for 6. Then 3 stars for 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Altogether 9. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Okay. Friends, now change the order. 3 in first place, 6 in second place. Okay. 3 plus 6, that is equal to, can we find out? Okay. Put 3 lines for 3 and 6 lines for 6. Then together the answer is 9. Both answers remain same. Here also 9, here also 9. So that we can say the order does not matter. Friends, next one is adding 0. Okay. Here there are 3 balls in the box and here nothing. Okay. Can we do the sum? Yes. 3 plus 0 is equal to what? Can you find out? Yes. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Friends, can we do next sum? Yes. Here nothing, so put 0. Then there are 4 lines, so put 4. 0 plus 4, can you find out? Yes. 0 plus 4 equals 4. So that we can say when you add 0 to a number, the answer is the same number. Okay. Friends, finally we are going to see adding 1. Okay, It's very easy, friends. Friends, let us check here. There are 2 butterflies and 1 more butterfly. Then we can put 2 plus 1 is equal to altogether 3. Friends, there are 3 flowers and adding 1 more flower. So 3 plus 1. Can you find out the answer? Yes. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Friends, so that we can say when you add 1 to a number, the answer is the number that comes after. Okay friends, it's time to finish. Do you like this video? Put like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. We will meet in another interesting video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.